Good morning! Welcome to Green Meadows, Palawan. This is the first project of Invesfield Realty and Development Corporation. We started as a brokerage company and eventually joined the development business way back into 2017. So this is our first project that we started from Roland kasi yung mga unang project namin, we started it as an existing subdivision, then we buy it from the original developer and build our houses. So this site is our first project that we started from the land development up to the construction of the houses, and we're happy to announce that we're able to finish all our model units, and we are now finishing few of the first houses that we have sold. So as of today, we have sold about 200 houses, and we're building 9 houses at the moment, but as per our construction team, we'll be doing more because magaling yung marketing team natin, marami na silang nabenta at marami na nag-cash DP. So we're looking forward in the next 2-3 years that the project will be completed. Of course, we're based on our construction program from our construction team. We will finish the land development towards the end of the year or early next year. Then we'll do 8 to 10 houses a month on a monthly basis starting next year. So more likely, we'll finish the entire project at the end of 2025. So from a Roland that we bought in 2019, it will be a thriving community of more than 400 houses. So in the next 2 to 3 years, we're looking forward that this subdivision will be full of houses, a thriving community, not only of Palaweños, but all over the world. So thank you so much and looking forward to see you soon here.